Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to study the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is a mathematical concept and which is integration of odd and even functions. In this lecture we are going to learn what is odd function and even function, and if the functions are odd and even, what will be the changes in the integration over the interval minus a to a. So let us start with odd and even functions of a variable x. First we will see odd function of x. Suppose fx is a function of x we have given, then it is said to be odd function of x if the condition is, if we replace fx as a minus sign of x, then the value of fx equal to minus into f of minus x. Means if we change all the values of x in a function with its negative sign minus x, then the coming value is minus times f of minus x. If this condition holds, then we say that our given function fx is an odd function of x. Next we will see even function of x. Similarly as the odd function, the other side is even function of x. What is that? Here also, suppose fx is a function of x, then if we change a x with minus x in a function, then if both the values fx and f of minus x remains same, there is no change in function of x and a function with its minus sign, then we say that the given function fx is an even function. The basic difference between odd function and even function is, a function does not change with its minus sign in case of even function, and in case of odd function it changes with only minus sign. Now we will see what will be the integration of odd and even function. So integration of odd and even functions. We will first see integration of odd function of x. Suppose if a function f of x is a odd function of x, then in a previous slide we have seen fx equal to minus f of minus x for all x. Okay, and suppose the interval of integration is minus a to a, then we can apply the rule integration minus a to a fx dx is equal to 0. In case of odd function, the integration with an interval minus a to a of fx is always 0. Here we have no need to calculate the integration. We can use 0 as a direct value since it is a odd function. Similarly, for the even function, we will see integration of even function. If a function is even, suppose fx is a function and it is even, then we have studied in a previous slide. What is that? Fx equal to f of minus x, means if we replace a variable x with minus x, then both the functions are identical. There is no difference in their values. Then and then we say that fx is an even function of x. In this case, if we want to integrate a function in the interval minus a to a, what will happen? Integration minus a to a fx dx is same as 2 times integration 0 to a fx dx. Integration changes to 2 times and the limit is from, not from minus a to a, it is from 0 to a fx dx. These are the two rules for odd function of x and even function of x while we are integrating the function. In this way, in this lecture we have learned what is odd function and even function and how they are integrated in the interval minus a to a. In the next lecture we will meet with the next statistical concept. This concept of odd even function and their integration is most useful in most of the continuous distributions of statistics. So students are requested to remember this formula while studying a paper of probability distributions. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we stop here. Thank you.